We're going to learn about the sounds of O-O. O-O has two main sounds. The long sound is oo, oo, oo. The short sound is uh. Let's try both sounds together. Ooh, The way I remember this is think of the moon reading a book. We do the long sound first because it is slightly more common than the short sound. Ooh, The moon is reading a book. Ooh, Ooh, Unfortunately, there's no way to tell if the sound is going to be long or short in a word, so try both pronunciations and see which one gives you a word you recognize. All of these words are going to use the long sound, like in the word moon. Zoo. Too. This word too means also or very, like when you have too much of something. Spoon. Food. In this word, CH will use its second sound of k. We covered that in Level 2, Lesson 7. Ool, school. Ool, pool. Oot, boot. Oop, hoop. Loot. Oof, roof. Zoom. In these words, we are going to use the short sound, which is the sound of like in ook, book, look, ook, took, cook. SH says sh, covered in this level and lesson. Sh, ook, shook, stood, wool, foot, hoof. A hoof is the hard part under the foot of some animals. Wood, good, woof. There are a few words where O-O has the long O sound. However, this is not very common. Or, door. Floor. Or, pour. This CH will say ch. Brooch. Like I said, the long O sound is not common, and this list is most of the words that a beginning reader might ever encounter. If you need more practice with the O sound before you move on to Level 5, you can practice pages 80 to 82 in Word Mastery, which you can download for free at this website.